I gave you my heart.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing random chats throughout the day. Whatever I feel like talking about, I'll pop out the camera and be like, hi, what's up? 2 more days till Christmas. I don't know what happened this year. I feel like the morale has been low. Like an all-time low. Like even like I didn't even count down to Christmas this year. I didn't do Vlogmas. Like, what is she even saying? Don't know what's happening. I just think it's an odd season, and it's been very rainy and gloomy. But I think on Christmas it's actually going to be like sunny, so that's going to be nice. And as of right now, I am just trying to find something to eat because I am hungry, and I just woke up and it's almost 1. So peace. As you can see, I have made myself some breakfast, and that was rough because I always crave something sweet for breakfast, and so the syrup is gonna have to do the trick. And then I have some tea, and I'm gonna catch up on some Vlogmas videos because I've missed a lot, and I've really been anticipating my grades for the semester, but my French grade came back how I needed it to come back, so I'm glad about that. And just waiting for one more grade and then I can relax. So I'm back in my room now, and I am gonna just lie in bed and watch Netflix or YouTube or Disney Plus and do nothing with my day. And this vlog's gonna be really boring because that's probably what I'm gonna do all day and really short. Hello guys, welcome back to another day of my countdown to Christmas. It is Christmas Eve, and I didn't end the vlog yesterday because I didn't do anything yesterday. But today I cleaned the microwave and stove and the kitchen floors, and later I'm gonna clean the rest of the floors, but the battery died of the Swiffer, so I'm charging that right now, and I'm gonna have a little ice cream because I wanted something sugary. I had breakfast maybe like 2 hours ago or something like that. Woke up like at 11 and just been chilling, not really, but cleaning for tomorrow because tomorrow's Christmas, and I turned on the Christmas light tree downstairs. I am going to turn on my Christmas lights to make it more cozy, and I will start editing whatever footage I got from yesterday and try to have a somewhat more interesting day today, because I did not upload like for 2 of the days I said I was gonna upload. I don't know, something happened this Christmas season, and I just don't understand. So I am going to start editing that, maybe make like a cute thumbnail or something. I don't know, but I definitely am gonna have this video up before tomorrow, and then I will show you guys what I get for Christmas tomorrow, maybe, or like the next day or something like that. Definitely before January. And I think I'm gonna have a fresh start next year, and really we could do plans for my channel and whatever, just because college was stressful this semester, and I thought I was going to be able to upload or whatever, but I might make pre-videos so I can have pre-uploads before I go back, just so it's like I'm uploading like every week, and then I'll maybe make some videos at college. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to have some already pre-recorded videos before I go back. That's the plan. Okay, see you guys in a little bit. So I have finished a whole ice cream. It's gelato, but like, to be fair, me and my sister did have half of it yesterday, so wasn't too much left for me to finish, but I did. Anyway, so I'm gonna go back downstairs and finish with my cleaning job, and then I'll probably watch YouTube. I don't know. That's literally what this whole break has been. I have just been in my room watching YouTube and just awaiting for like my grades to come back. Oh, I did get my French result, and whew, I got the grade that I needed to get to move on to French 2, so we're happy about that. I'm just waiting for one more grade, and it better be an A to help boost my GPA, because French kind of dropped it a little bit, and I mean, it's not too bad, but I definitely wanted it to be a 3, because then it would be easier to get it higher if it's a 3 rather than being where it is right now. But I am going to charge this phone camera and maybe do some editing after I clean the rest of the floors. And yeah. So I am back in my room, and I'm going to be doing some last minute Christmas wrapping for the stockings. And got lovely, we have a nice theme this year. Actually, it's like snowman and snowflakes, so it's gonna be like a blue present theme for the gift wrapping paper. So it's gonna be real pretty, and I'll show you how it's kind of sorted out downstairs. After I wrap all these things, but right now I need to charge my phone. But I'm really excited because these stuff are like the classic like Bath and Body Works fragrances, and there were barely any left, so I'll manage to like get them. I wanted to wrap them now so they don't know which scent they're getting immediately when they open the stockings. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wrap them up, and so excited for Christmas. I think I finally have like a little bit more holiday spirit in me or whatever, but I turned on my Christmas lights, if it will focus. Yes. And then I have my tree. It's 4 foot, so I really like it. Actually, like, look how tall it is compared to me. It's like, it's amazing. So that's what I'm gonna do, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.